The Bombay High Court on August 6th, former Tehelka editor Tarun Tejpal in the 2013 rape case filed by a former junior colleague and overturned the acquittal order passed by the Goa Sessions Court in 2021. A division bench of Justices Neela Gokhale and Amit Jamsandekar of the High Court's Goa bench found Tejpal guilty under Sections 376 Clause 2 Clause F, 354 Clause A and 354 Clause B of the Indian Penal Code. The court said the order on the quantum of punishment would be announced later. The bench stated, "We set aside the trial court order of acquittal. The respondent Tejpal stands convicted." Tejpal, who was present during the hearing, sought leniency and requested a lighter sentence. He told the court that he was 62 years old, the father of 2 daughters, had a wife and described himself as a political victim. His lawyer, Abad Ponda, sought the minimum punishment prescribed under the law and requested the suspension of the conviction and sentence for 10 weeks to allow Tejpal to approach the Supreme Court. Ponda argued that Tejpal had remained on bail throughout the trial, had not violated any court conditions and was a senior citizen. However, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Goa government, sought the maximum punishment of life imprisonment, arguing that a strict sentence was needed to send a message that no means no. Mehta argued that Tejpal was in a position of dominance over the complainant, who was his colleague and also a friend of his daughter. He alleged that Tejpal had shown a brazen attitude and had not expressed remorse. The Solicitor General also argued that the trial court had wrongly assessed the complainant's behavior after the incident, stating that there is no universal standard for how a survivor responds, as reactions vary depending on individual circumstances, including education, personality, and social background. After the verdict, Tejpal said he would challenge the High Court order before the Supreme Court, stating, "We will be appealing against this order. We feel the order is wrong." The case dates back to November 2013, when a former junior colleague accused Tejpal of sexually assaulting her inside a hotel elevator during Tehelka magazine's annual Think Fest event in Goa. Tejpal was acquitted by the Goa Sessions Court in 2021, following which the Goa government challenged the verdict before the Bombay High Court. During the appeal, the Goa government argued that the trial court had mistaken by judging the complainant's conduct based on assumptions about how a survivor of sexual assault should behave. With this ruling, the High Court has overturned the 2021 acquittal, convicted Tarun Tejpal under the relevant IPC sections, and will decide the quantum of punishment separately. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.